Regulation 1. Associated piping means the pipeline from the sanction points in a cargo tank to the shore connection used for unloading the cargo and includes all ships, piping, pumps, and filter which are in open connection with the cargo unloading line. Ballast water. Clean ballast means ballast water carried in a tank which, since it was last used to carry a cargo containing a substance in category X, Y, or Z, has been thoroughly cleaned and the residues resulting therefore have been discharged and the tank emptied in accordance with the appropriate requirements of this annex. Segregated ballast means ballast water introduced into a tank permanently allocated to the carriage of ballast or cargoes other than oil or noxious liquid substances, as variously defined in the annexes of the present convention, and which is completely separated from the cargo and oil fuel system. Regulation 2. Unless expressly provided otherwise, the provision of this annex shall apply to all ships certified to carry noxious liquid substances in bulk. To where a cargo subject to the provisions of Annex 1 of the present convention is carried in a cargo space of an NLX tanker, the appropriate requirements of Annex 1 of the present convention shall also apply. Regulation 3. Provide that all reasonable precautions have been taken up the occurrence of the damage or discovery of the discharge for the purpose preventing minimizing discharge, and except if the owner or the master acted either with intent to cause damage or recklessly and with a knowledge that damage would probably result, or is approved by the administration when being used for purpose of combating specific pollution incident in order to minimize the damage from pollution. Any such discharge shall be subject to the approval of any government in whose jurisdiction it is contemplated the discharge will occur. Regulation 4. Where an amendment to this annex and International Bulk Chemical Code and Bulk Chemical Code involves changes to the structure, equipment, and fitting due to the upgrading of the requirements for the carriage of certain substances, the administration may modify or delay for a specified period the application of such an amendment to ships constructed before the date of entry into force of the amendment. If the immediate application of such an amendment is considered unreasonable or impracticable, such relaxation shall be determined with respect to each substance. Regulation 5. The administration may allow any fitting material appliance or apparatus to be fitted in a ship as an alternative to that requirement required by to this annex if such fitting material appliance or apparatus it at least as effective as that required by this annex. This authority of the administration shall not extend to the substitution of operational methods to effect the control of discharge of noxious liquid substances as equivalent to those design and construction features which are prescribed by regulation in this annex. Regulation 6. For the purpose of the regulation of this annex, noxious liquid substances shall be divided into 4 categories as follows. Category X, noxious liquid substances which is discharged into the sea from tank cleaning or deballasting operation are deemed to present a major hazard to either marine resources or human health and therefore justify the prohibition of the discharge into the marine environment. 2. Category Y, noxious liquid substances which if discharged into the sea from tank cleaning or deballasting operation are deemed or to present a hazard to either marine resources or human health or cause harm to amenities or other legitimate uses of the sea, and therefore justify limitation on the quality and quantity of the discharge into the marine environment. Regulation 7. Survey and certification of chemical tankers. Notwithstanding the provision of Regulation 8, 9, and 10 of this annex, chemical tankers which have been surveyed and certified by states parties to the present convention in accordance with the provisions of the International Bulk Chemical Code or the Bulk Chemical Code as applicable shall be deemed to have complied with provision of this said regulation, and the certificate issued under that code shall have been the same force received the same recognition as a certificate issued under Regulation 9 of this annex. Regulation 8. Ship carrying noxious liquid substance in bulk shall be subject to the survey specified below. An initial survey before the ship is put in service or before the certificate required under Regulation 9 of this annex is issued for the first time, and which shall include a complete survey of its structure, equipment, system fitting arrangement, and material in so far as the ship is covered by this annex. This survey shall be such as to ensure that the structure, equipment, system fitting arrangement, and material fully comply with the applicable requirements of this annex. Regulation 9. Issue or endorsement of certificate. An international pollution prevention certificate for the carriage of noxious liquid substances in bulk shall be issued after initial or renewal survey in accordance with the provision of Regulation 8 of this annex to any ship intended to carry noxious liquid substances in bulk which is engaged in voyage to port or terminals under the jurisdiction of other parties to the convention. Such certificate shall be issued or endorsed either by the administration or by any person or organization duly authorized by it. In every case, the administration assume full responsibility for the certificate.